If you want to improve your writing and engage your audience, Chat GPT 3 is here to assist. In this video, we'll provide 8 tips and tricks for utilizing Chat GPT 3 to enhance your writing, from idea generation to conclusion. These tips will help you take your writing to the next level. Whether it's a blog post, a script, or an academic piece of writing, for personal use or for your client work, ChatGPT 3 provides an ultimate solution. So let's begin with tip number 1. Using GPT 3 to develop writing ideas. For example, you may ask ChatGPT 3 to generate 5 ideas for articles about the benefits of exercise, and it will generate a list of unique and fascinating topics for you to consider. The following tip on our list of GPT-3 writing tips is to use it to generate headlines. This is a fantastic technique to catch your reader's attention and establish the tone for the rest of your post. You could, for example, ask it to generate 5 headlines for an article about the benefits of exercise, and it might come up with titles like these. Let's take a closer look at this tool and discover how it might help you write better. If you want to write a fascinating opening for your next article, then tip number 3 might be just what you need. A good example of how you could use GPT-3 to generate introductions for your writing is if you asked it to provide us with an introduction for a blog about the advantages of exercise, and it can show you something you're watching now on your screen. Do you want to arrange your thoughts and structure your writing? The answer can be found in the 4th tip, an outline generation using GPT-3. Next time you need to write an article, use GPT-3 to make an outline that is comprehensive and makes sense. Provide a command to GPT-3, for instance, generate an outline for an article about the benefits of exercise. As you can see, the result of give command is very clear and concise to follow. Now just imagine how long it would take to make an outline like this for a single article. So this is the magic of AI. Life is getting easier, right? So there is no reason to go here and there. Start using GPT-3 right now to make brilliant plans for all your upcoming writing tasks. Do you need to paraphrase a piece of writing without plagiarizing? So here is tip number 5 to solve plagiarism problems. You've covered the basics of using GPT-3 to paraphrase text. So all you need to do now is ask it to rephrase the sentence. Exercise is crucial for keeping physical and mental health into something else, and you will get a fresh, precise, and logical text back with multiple options to choose from. And if you want multiple alternatives at once for one sentence or paragraph, you can do it by asking something like this: 5 alternatives for the sentence. Exercise is crucial for keeping the mental and physical health, and boom! Here, you have the 5 options to choose from. Now, paraphrasing is a useful skill to have whether you're trying to avoid plagiarism or just want to write more effectively. Tip number 6 might assist you in making sure your writing is correct and creative. You can verify the accuracy of your text by using GPT-3. For instance, if you want to discover credible sources to back up the assertion that exercise helps improve mental health, it will do just that. But don't forget to give a proper command to get an efficient and complete answer to your question. If you write anything from academic articles to informal blog posts, you can benefit from GPT-3's fact-checking features. Having trouble putting your thoughts into words? If you want to use GPT-3 to increase your vocabulary, tip number 7 is a solution to that. You can use it to identify alternative words and phrases to use in your writing by giving this command. For instance, find me synonyms for the term workout, and you will get a result something like this. In addition to that, you will get some instruction that can be useful in picking the right word. GPT-3's vocabulary expansion features are helpful for any writer who wants to expand their vocabulary or lessen the number of times they use the same word. Putting a satisfying and conclusive ending on your essay is not easy. Don't worry though, tip number 8 have you covered. In order to draw conclusions, we can also use GPT-3. If you ask it to write a conclusion for an article about the advantages of exercise, for instance, It will provide a concise summary of the article's main arguments as well as a call to action. Either you want your readers to take action or you want them to think about the significance of the topic. The ability to generate conclusions is a great feature of this tool. Finally, GPT-3 is a fantastic tool for enhancing your writing and engaging readers. Chat GPT-3 may help you improve your writing in many ways, including coming up with ideas and headlines, organizing your thoughts, and checking your facts. If you want to see how it can improve your writing, there is a link in the description for you to join up for a free account and try it out. I appreciate your stay till the end. Also, if you found this video to be useful, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that like and subscribe button and comment with any ideas for future videos. Join us again in our upcoming video. Much love!